Hey everyone! Today I am working on my bullet journal for the month of July. It's crazy that July is just around the corner here. Anyways, again, I've got everything penciled in for each page, including a fun page at the end, and this time I just did a quote like I did last year in my bullet journals. I am using a new black pen this time. I generally use the Tombow Mono drawing pens, and I have the three different sizes of them. And while they are amazing pens, for drawing the lines, I usually use the 01 pen, and here I can generally find them in a 3-pack of the 1, 3, and 5, and they're not cheap. So I actually found at the dollar store a Sharpie pen. So it was a 2-pack of black Sharpie pens that are fine point, and I think at Dollarama they were a 2-pack for like $4.25 or $4.50, something like that. So I thought I would give them a try, and they actually work really well. They do not bleed through the pages here. So that's what I am using for most of it today. I do have the number 3 and the number 5 Tombow Monos that I do use for writing the days of the week and the numbers and stuff. So while I was talking about my new Sharpie pen, I already did the full spread calendar page, and then I have done my little habit tracker page here and am working on my birthdays and anniversaries. And again, I have quite a few in the month of July. So I'm just writing all of those in, and this is the time, it's a few days before July when I'm actually doing the voiceover for this, and I'm already behind on making a lot of the birthday cards and anniversary cards here. So hopefully I'm going to get them all done in time so I can send them out. I do like to make them all ahead so that I can have them right ready and like written in and stamped and just ready to drop in the mailbox when it is time. But anyways, here I'm working on the weekly spread. And again, I am quite enjoying the layout of these weekly spreads that I've been doing this year. I find them quite functional for what I need. Perhaps next year I will try something else and see how that goes and kind of discover what things I like about each page and which things I could do differently. But so far, this is working well, so I'm most likely going to keep it like this for the rest of this journal because I kind of like things to be the same. And for my quote page, I chose one about the beach. Because it is summer, I'm dreaming of spending some days at the beach. We have, in Kamloops is a place where two rivers meet, so we do have the North Thompson and the South Thompson, but I don't personally like swimming in the river. I prefer lakes, and there's a really gorgeous lake an hour and a half from here, so we try to go there a few times every summer. Anyways, I've got several sticker books because I, a few years ago, had kind of an obsession of buying these sticker books, and I use them a lot, but I still have so many. So I picked out the different travel-themed sticker books because they tend to have a lot of the tropical type of stickers. So I'm just going through and adding a bunch on that first calendar spread there. And then going on to my birthdays and anniversaries and my little habit tracker page. Of course, I gotta have some palm trees. Those stickers were having a little bit of trouble getting off the page, but I finally got them. And then there's a whole bunch of different tropical fruit and tropical drinks that I added onto this page as well. I just thought they were kind of fun. And I think once I get this page done, I'm going to flip right back to, yes, this quote page about the beach. I love that sea turtle sticker. It's all kinds of tropical plants and flowers made into a sea turtle, so it's really cool. Sticking all of those on there. And then I will go ahead in a moment here and put a few stickers in the weekly spreads because there are some empty days there. Like on the last week here, the Saturday is not part of July, so I added a sticker there and added some at the beginning for the Sunday and the Tuesday. And then I am going ahead and just putting a little tiny sticker in the bottom right-hand corner there. And then here is the finished bullet journal for this month. I love the summer tropical type of vibes. That last page with the quote that says, "The beach, a place where salt water heals the soul, sand grounds the spirit, and every wave whispers peace." Anyways, that is another month done. I can hardly believe it. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a wonderful, peaceful day.